When you first log into Litmus Edge, what you'll see is a dashboard screen. And on this screen, you'll see the 5 elements that make up the platform. And it's these 5 elements that seamlessly combine asset connectivity, data collection, data manipulation and processing, and integration to external systems. So to do that, let's have a look. To begin with, what we'll need to do is connect to your industrial devices. And we do that through Device Hub. Device Hub is the user interface that allows a connection to be made from Litmus Edge into your industrial device. So you can see here we've connected to 2 different machines. One's a simulated tank farm, and the other is a Modbus machine. And Litmus Edge provides a number of different device drivers that allows you to quickly connect to virtually any device you may have. You can see here in the list, you would basically choose your manufacturer, and then you pick the driver that you want to use to connect with. And once you do that, you fill in some information, click Add Device, and you'll get your connection. Now, once your connection is established, you'll need to set up some tags. And the tags are the data elements that we connect to within the PLC. And then we create what we call a topic, which is then subscribed to. And we use a functionality in our system called Message Broker. Message Broker is the point of isolation between the rest of the system and Device Hub. And as the data is collected by Message Broker, it becomes normalized. And what I mean by normalized is that regardless of where the data is coming from, so in this case, the tank farm or the Modbus machine, it's normalized and is formatted the exact same way. So you can process it easily. You don't have to write any code to do that normalization. It's all done for you. So now that the data is available, we can do what we want with it. And there's a number of different options which provide a lot of flexibility in how you can process your data. So first we'll look at loop flows. And loop flows offers a low-code method for handling your data. Using these nodes here, you can drag and drop them onto the palette, or you can write custom code. If you need a bit more manipulation, you can write some code. And you can also do some visualizations here in loop flows too. So very simple visualization using a quick dashboard. Additionally, Loop Edge provides some out-of-the-box analytics features. So we have a number of different functions that you can choose from, like anomaly detection, change of value, manufacturing counters, moving maximum, moving averages, statistical prediction, and so on. And it's the same as loop flows where you drag and drop onto the palette, you choose an input, you choose a function, and then you choose where you're going to publish it. And then again, this published data can be manipulated, processed, acted upon however you want through alerts, database retention, and so on. You can also manipulate the data using edge applications via the marketplace functionality. So marketplace is a application store where a number of applications are available. With a click, you can download them, they'll be configured, and they'll run as an application on your edge. So we preload Litmus Edge with a number of different applications. You can see here, we've got a couple running. We've got a MySQL instance and we have a Grafana instance running. But you can also write your own applications and deploy them via Marketplace. And what that gives you is a lot greater flexibility as to how, again, you want to process and act upon your data. So now your team can write custom code, compile it, deploy it to the edge, and get the results that you need to run your business. And finally, we also have what we call integrations. And integrations are what you use to push your data northbound to systems like Microsoft Azure, Kafka, Splunk, and so on. And again, same idea as connecting to your industrial devices is you select an integration that you want to do, pick Azure, you fill in the information here, we guide you through what you have to fill in, you click add, and once you do, you have the integration hooked up and away you go. So all in all, Litmus Edge gives you the ability to quickly connect to the devices, choose your data to ingest, and then process it in any way you need. and really provides you with a lot of the flexibility that you're going to need to achieve your business goals.